Dr. Narayan, come to you first. The first day of the new series, we've got 5600 still being held, but taking a little bit of a breather right now. What kind of a strategic play would you do here?
Yeah, I think we have moved up to around 5700, and that's pretty much the target that most of us had. And it's not really a surprise to see the market reacting the way it has from there. I think it's been helped along pretty much by this news related to RIL, and I think that's the stock which has dragged it down. I think the auto numbers have really not helped. The auto stocks in any case were into a sort of short-term downtrend, and I think the further downtrend seems to have resumed in most of those counters. Maybe they will probably strengthen a little and keep up the downside pressure. I don't think RIL is going to be helped by this news, so I think that will be an additional pressure. So maybe we are not really looking at 5700 being crossed sort of immediately. So more of downside pressure and quite probably an end of the uptrend which has set in from June 20th. And we could look for a short-term downside which could probably take market down to about 5450.
All right, that's the call on the Nifty and the overall market snapshot, 5624. Dr. Narayan, any stock strategies from your end?
Yeah, I would like to take a short position in LIC Housing Finance. I think that's a stock which has rallied up pretty well, fairly sharply over the recent days, and I think it has hit some levels of resistance. There has been deep amount of following, fair amount of I think short positions have also got rolled over, as well as the longs. It did not really participate in today's rise, so I think I see the stock sliding back to about 225. So those who are a little more risk prone could probably straight away short the futures here. Others could wait for a small rally and try to short. Of course, the risk is that there may not be a rally. So I would say shorting LIC future, say LIC Housing Finance future, is the trade that I would recommend at the current levels, with a stop loss of about 4 to 5 points, with an expected target somewhere around 225 to 227. An update on the earlier strategy, which was long in Pantaloon Retail. I had suggested a minimum target of about 325. We saw 323 being reached today, and share is trading somewhere around 18-19 levels. First of the profit booking levels has been reached, and I trust those who had shared along in this would have booked out profits. If not, use any rallies now to look, try and take some money off. Low levels to be used to buy the stock again, because I see this as a positional play with even higher targets left. That would be when the market moves up again.
All right, so hopefully people who have taken that position have already booked out. On the other one, he's expecting LIC Housing Finance to show some more downside, so probably keep a target closer to about 225 to 227 on the downside. Thanks, Dr.